So this is my Harbor Freight jump box. It's obviously not the greatest jump box, and there's a few reasons behind that, and we're going to get into that. Number one, it worked okay when I first bought it. Then it slowly started to just be worse and worse. And, I don't use it like I'm jumping complete dead batteries all the time. I use it when I need to roll the windows up on a car, when a car comes in with the dead battery. Most of the time, I just replace the battery and be done with it. But it's convenient for an emergency or whatnot. So after owning this thing and about 6 months into it, I struggling to keep this thing charged. Every time I've got it on the charger for a month, and you go into this indicator and you press the button, it would be yellow. Right now, you can see it's green. Why is that? Because I replaced the charging system on it. In the backside, I modded it. I put a trickle charger on it like you would find on a motorcycle. This is the original. And you can see here, the output is 0.5 amps. So it's barely charging this thing back. So I'm thinking, hey, maybe the battery's bad originally. So I open it up and I put it on a trickle charger and it starts coming back. So then I decided, hey, I got this trickle charger I bought a while back off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. So I bought this trickle charger, and it came, at the end of it, you got a plug, so you can plug them in just for a motorcycle to keep the battery maintained. So I went ahead and I trickle charged the battery on the rack. Then I put it back together. I put this trickle charger on. And what do you know? This thing is always full. It's not dropping in voltage. And I've tried it on a couple cars, and this thing just bounces back. It all of a sudden it's like a new jump box. It actually works better than when I bought it. So just to kind of show you where the battery's at on this, I've turned the box on. I've put my leads on there, and here it is, holding at 13.23. It's not dropping. Usually it'll drop a little bit here and there, but it's steadied out. It's not, there it is. It's bouncing a little bit. That's normal because there's a charge on it. It's obviously being dragged a little bit. But this thing, I'm keeping it plugged in and it's holding a charge. And I just figured maybe this helps somebody that's got one of these boxes. Doesn't necessarily have to be a Harbor Freight one because they're all like this. For some reason, they just slowly go out. And so this is my solution. I just got a cheap $20 trickle charger. But the other thing that you can do, just to see if your box is going to come back, is to put it on a regular battery charger on a trickle. 2 amp, 3 amp trickle charge. And see if the battery box comes back. Obviously, in order to do that, you got to connect it to the leads and you got to turn the box on and see if the thing comes back. At that point, if you can leave it on a trickle charger, just like you would do a regular car battery, you might save your jump box and actually get to use it for what it's made for. I hope this helps somebody and they get some more use and life out of their jump pack. Thanks for watching.